Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Creative Kanya. Today we are going to talk about making a socks drawer. I have recently made one for myself using Amazon boxes and an old denim jeans. And let me tell you, it was so much fun. Let me show you how I did. So this is the Amazon box that I started with. This was a huge box. I've cut it into half from the top part and using only the bottom section of it. In order to make this look beautiful, I made a lovely cover, a denim cover for this. Unfortunately, I could not record a video of this. Do let me know if you want me to make a video for this and I will make one for you definitely. Good part is I have not stitched anything. So you don't have to be a sewing person to make something like this. I've used the Fevicryl fabric glue to stick everything and it has been there for quite some time. So let me show you how this cover looks like. Okay. If you're coming here for the first time, please do consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Also, if you like the video, please smash that like button. It would be a great help for us. So what I'm doing here is using this cover and the corners. I'm just trying to match the corners of the boxes with the cover. And this is how it looks after we put our cover on it. Doesn't it look really chic? Look at this. So in the next part of the video, I will show you how to make partitions. To make these partitions also, I have used an old Amazon box and some of the Amazon polythene bags that I already have to just give it a more chic look. This is a great way to upcycle all those online shopping boxes that we use. So this is not just one. You can make socks drawers, you can make jewelry organizers and a lot of other things using these boxes. So let's get started. Let's see how we make a socks drawer. So I am now opening up an Amazon box that I already have and let's see what we can use from this. I think I will be able to use this as well in something. So the next thing that we will do is we'll measure this and see how we can make partitions. And let's not forget, this is 11 and this is 9, and if I make a grid of 20, that means I will have 3 rows here and 5 columns here. So 4 pieces of 9 inches and 3 pieces of 11 inches. Let's check the depth as well. And this is around 4.5, and I can keep it at around 4 also, it's okay. So let's start cutting. So I'm definitely not using this area because this is very curvy and it might cause a trouble. So for now I'll skip this. This perfectly fits. It's around an 11, so I'll just cut this, and this is around 8, so okay, great. So I finally cut 3 pieces of 9 by 4 inches and 3 pieces of 11 by 4 inches. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, and let's say I put some 5 partitions here also, and let's see what happens. So now I have these 3 pieces. Now I am actually thinking to cover them up. So I've got a lot of Amazon polybags like this. I want to cut them out and bag this up with like this. I'll show you how to do this. While using staplers, keep in mind that if you feel that it might hurt your fabric, please put a sellotape or avoid the use of stapler altogether. You can use a sellotape to do the same thing. So these are ready. Now it is time to measure and cut out interlinks for them. While cutting the interlinks, I am just ensuring that they are at equal distance and I am keeping them 2 inch long, which is half of the total width. Now these are ready and it is time to take a test at how they fit. Remember, if you see any loose ends, you can tape them up later or put a stapler. But if you use the stapler, keep in mind that you cover the stapler with the cellophane tape. Okay. There you go. Ta-da! Time to add some socks and see how it looks.